Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to turn off the double finger zoom option on the VLC player. First of all, open your VLC player and choose the required video to play. Here you can see the three dots on the bottom right corner. Tap on the three dots. Here you can see the control settings on the bottom side. Tap on the control settings. Here you can see the option two finger zoom. Tap on the box and make the tick mark off. Now the double fingered zoom option is turned off. Zoom in and out with two fingers is turned off now. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.